Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And just in case you're wondering why she likes wearing Ankara, I'm a big fan of Ankara. I love Ankara. Like, Ankara is my hobby. Like, literally all my clothes are Ankara. Yes, my friends call me Ankara ambassador. Yes, it's fine, thank you. In this video we are gonna be just in case you don't know, let me do like a short introduction of myself. My name is Zibuli Messi. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I do reviews, reaction videos, places to visit in Lagos, Nigeria, hairstyling videos, makeup tutorials. So if you're not yet a subscriber, I don't know what you're waiting for. You got to do it right now. In this video we're going to be talking about how to style your frontal regardless of if it's new or old. I have my frontal here. Please ignore my frontal. I should have ventilated this place probably before I start the video, but I'll do that probably in my next tutorial. You guys will see how I ventilate my frontal, but I've actually done how I ventilate my closure. So just in case you have not seen that video, you need to go back and watch it so you'll be able to understand this my frontal. This is my frontal here. So I'm going to be doing how to style your frontal. It's not like my frontal is actually that bad. Let me show you guys. It's not bad, but as a professional, I talk about how to make your hair look nice, stand out, and all of that. So we get it. Some people actually like the frontal like this, like scanty. Yes, I do, but you know, this place needs to be touched. So if you're having a frontal like this and you haven't ventilated it, please go and watch that tutorial and learn how to ventilate your frontal. So let's go straight to the video. I'm going to be starting with my I'll be using Gorilla to like make it. If you like, call me Ankara ambassador, I'll fight you guys. So we are going to be putting this if it's already sticky and we are good. I'm not gonna be using a glue, like, but if you want to like make it last longer, is that you use a bold old or a ghost bond. So I'm just gonna be using my got to be spray alone since I am basically not I don't want to wear it for a very long time. So 24 hours I'm good. Now watch this tutorial. You're gonna be I'm supposed to wear a wig cap, but it's my hair. I understand how my hair works, so thank you. Now we're gonna be using this spray. Oh, it's good. Blow dry it till it becomes sticky. Then I'm going to be wearing my wig. I have my elastic here that's gonna hold it. Please, this part you need to just be careful so it doesn't stick. Then be tying it behind at your back. Please make it tight. Okay, probably my next video I should do like a life update, what has been happening to me. I know I've always been just makeup, places to visit, reactions. I've not like come and tell you what has been happening to me, what's going on in my life, you know. I should do that. I should do it, because really I feel like I should have a connection with my two friends. They should get to know me. They should know what's happening in my life, what's the update, what I'm going through. We've waited for like 15 minutes. Let's see what the outcome is. We can do more. Basically. I actually like my hair looking full, so styling my hair either center or side to make me look like all these black Americans. But regardless, this is the finished look. This is how I look, and the hairline is actually looking so natural as possible. That's why I like using just the spray. And yes, this is cool. I look cute. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.